In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. We'll compare performance, battery range, motor power, comfort, build quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect e-bike for your lifestyle and budget. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring trails, or enjoying weekend rides, these electric bikes deliver the ideal mix of power, reliability, and ride quality. Stay tuned until the end to see our number 1 pick and discover which electric bike offers the best performance and value in 2026. Number 5. The 2026 Specialized S-Works Turbo Levo 4 Ltd is built for riders who demand the very best on every trail. Whether you're climbing steep hills, conquering technical descents, or exploring rugged backcountry terrain, this EMTB is engineered to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. From the first glance, the S-Works Turbo Levo 4 Ltd showcases Specialized's premium design philosophy. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame is both incredibly strong and exceptionally responsive, providing outstanding control while keeping overall weight to a minimum. Every detail is carefully engineered to maximize efficiency, durability, and rider confidence. At the heart of the bike is Specialized's advanced electric drive system, delivering smooth, natural pedal assistance that feels powerful yet incredibly intuitive. The high-torque motor provides instant support on steep climbs while maintaining a natural riding feel, allowing you to tackle challenging trails with less fatigue and more confidence. The high-capacity integrated battery offers impressive range, giving you the freedom to enjoy long trail rides without constantly worrying about running out of power. Intelligent battery management optimizes efficiency, while fast charging helps you get back on the trail sooner. Suspension performance is another standout feature. Equipped with premium front and rear suspension components, the Turbo Levo 4 Ltd absorbs rocks, roots, drops, and rough terrain with remarkable ease. The result is a smooth, controlled ride that inspires confidence on even the most demanding trails. The drivetrain delivers crisp, precise shifting under load, while powerful hydraulic disc brakes provide exceptional stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. Combined with high-performance wheels and aggressive trail tires, the bike offers outstanding traction, stability, and control across every type of terrain. Number 4. The Flex Folding Electric Bicycle is designed for commuters, city riders, travelers, and anyone who wants an easy and eco-friendly way to get around. With its foldable design and powerful electric assistance, this e-bike makes every journey smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. One of the biggest advantages of the Flex Folding Electric Bicycle is its quick folding frame. In just a few simple steps, you can fold the bike into a compact size for easy storage in your apartment, office, car trunk, or even on public transportation. It's the perfect solution for people with limited storage space or those who combine cycling with buses, trains, or subways during their daily commute. Powered by a high-efficiency electric motor, the Flex Folding Electric Bicycle provides smooth pedal assistance that makes climbing hills and riding long distances much easier. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring your city, the motor gives you the extra boost you need while maintaining a natural and comfortable riding experience. The removable rechargeable battery delivers excellent riding range on a single charge, allowing you to travel farther with confidence. Depending on your riding mode, terrain, and conditions, you can enjoy hours of assisted cycling before needing to recharge. Fast charging support means less downtime and more time on the road. Comfort is another key feature. The adjustable seat and handlebars let you customize your riding position for maximum comfort, while the suspension system helps absorb bumps and uneven roads. Wide tires provide added stability and grip, giving you a smooth and confident ride on city streets and light trails. Safety is built into every ride with reliable front and rear disc brakes that offer strong stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. Number 3. The Heybike electric bike for adults is designed to provide an enjoyable riding experience with strong performance, modern features, and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring scenic trails, or simply enjoying a relaxing ride around town, this e-bike is built to make every journey easier and more exciting. From the moment you hop on, you'll notice the sturdy frame and comfortable riding position. The ergonomic handlebars, adjustable saddle, and well-balanced design help reduce fatigue, making long rides more enjoyable for riders of all experience levels. At the heart of the Heybike is a powerful electric motor that delivers smooth and responsive pedal assistance. Whether you're climbing steep hills, riding against strong winds, or accelerating through city streets, the motor provides the extra boost you need while maintaining a natural cycling feel. Multiple pedal assist levels allow you to customize the amount of power based on your riding style and terrain. The removable high-capacity lithium battery offers an impressive riding range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commuting and longer recreational rides. When it's time to recharge, simply remove the battery and charge it conveniently at home or in the office. Comfort and stability are major highlights of the Heybike. Many models feature front suspension that absorbs bumps and rough roads, while wide tires provide excellent grip and confidence on pavement, gravel paths, and light off-road trails. Combined with a durable frame, the bike delivers a smooth and stable ride in a variety of conditions. Safety is equally important. Reliable mechanical or hydraulic disc brakes provide strong stopping power in both dry and wet weather, while bright LED headlights, rear lights, and reflectors improve visibility during early morning or nighttime rides. Number 2, the FREESKY 2026 Alaska Pro Dual Battery Electric Bike is built for riders who want to go farther, tackle tougher terrain, and enjoy every adventure with confidence. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring mountain trails, or taking on long-distance rides, this e-bike is designed to perform. The first thing you'll notice is its rugged, premium frame. Built from durable materials and engineered for stability, the Alaska Pro is designed to handle everything from paved roads to rocky trails and sandy paths. Its aggressive styling and high-quality construction make it as tough as it looks. One of the biggest highlights is the dual battery system. With two high-capacity batteries working together, the Alaska Pro offers an impressive riding range that lets you travel much farther on a single charge. This makes it an excellent choice for long-distance commuters, weekend explorers, and riders who don't want to worry about running out of power during extended trips. Powering the bike is a high-performance electric motor that delivers strong acceleration and plenty of torque for climbing steep hills and navigating challenging terrain. Whether you're riding through city streets or venturing off-road, the motor provides smooth, responsive assistance that makes every ride more enjoyable and less physically demanding. Comfort is another major strength of the Alaska Pro. The front suspension fork absorbs bumps and uneven terrain, while the wide fat tires provide outstanding traction and stability on gravel, snow, sand, mud, and pavement. Combined with an ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars, the bike is built for comfortable rides of all lengths. Safety is always a priority, and the Alaska Pro is equipped with powerful hydraulic disc brakes that provide reliable stopping performance in both wet and dry conditions. Bright LED headlights, taillights, and reflective elements improve visibility during early morning rides, evening commutes, and nighttime adventures. Number 1, the Coswheel Rybit T21000W48V electric bicycle is designed for riders who want powerful performance, long-range capability, and a bold, eye-catching design. Whether you're commuting through the city, cruising along the beach, or exploring off-road trails, this electric bike is built to deliver an exciting and comfortable ride. The first thing you'll notice is its unique retro-inspired frame. With its rugged construction, premium finish, and distinctive design, the Rybit T20 stands out from ordinary electric bikes. The comfortable saddle, ergonomic handlebars, and relaxed riding position make it ideal for both short commutes and longer weekend adventures. Powering the Rybit T20 is a high-performance 1,000-watt electric motor that delivers strong acceleration and impressive torque. Whether you're climbing steep hills, riding through city traffic, or tackling rough terrain, the motor provides smooth and responsive power that makes every ride effortless and enjoyable. The 48-volt removable lithium battery offers an impressive riding range on a single charge, allowing you to travel farther with confidence. Depending on terrain, riding mode, and rider weight, you can enjoy extended trips before it's time to recharge. The removable battery also makes charging convenient, whether at home or at the office. Comfort is another major highlight. The front suspension fork and rear shock absorber work together to reduce bumps and vibrations, providing a smoother ride on uneven roads, gravel paths, and light trails. The wide fat tires offer excellent traction and stability, giving you confidence in a variety of riding conditions, including sand, dirt, snow, and pavement. Safety is built into every ride with powerful hydraulic disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping performance in both wet and dry conditions. Bright LED headlights, taillights, and integrated reflectors improve visibility during nighttime rides and low-light conditions.